Getgalut, chapter 12. A great sign was seen in heaven, a woman clothed with the sun, and the moon under her feet, and on her head a crown of 12 stars. She was with child. She cried out in pain, laboring to give birth. Another sign was seen in heaven. Behold, a great red dragon, having 7 heads and 10 horns, and on his heads 7 crowns. His tail drew 1/3 of the stars of the sky, and threw them to the earth. The dragon stood before the woman who was about to give birth, so that when she gave birth, he might devour her child. She gave birth to a son, a male child, who is to rule all the nations with a rod of iron. Her child was caught up to Elohim and to his throne. The woman fled into the wilderness, where she has a place prepared by Elohim, that there they may nourish her 1,260 days. There was war in the sky. Michael and his malachim made war on the dragon. The dragon and his malachim made war. They didn't prevail. Neither was a place found for him any more in heaven. The great dragon was thrown down, the old serpent, he who is called the devil and Shaitan, the deceiver of the whole world. He was thrown down to the earth, and his malachim were thrown down with him. I heard a loud voice in heaven saying, "Now the Yeshua, the power and the kingdom of our Elohim, and the authority of his Mashiach has come. For the accuser of our brothers has been thrown down, who accuses them before our Elohim day and night. They overcame him because of the Lamb's blood, and because of the word of their testimony. They didn't love their life, even to death. Therefore rejoice, heavens, and you who dwell in them. Oi to the earth and to the sea, because the devil has gone down to you, having great wrath, knowing that he has but a short time." When the dragon saw that he was thrown down to the earth, he persecuted the woman who gave birth to the male child. 2 wings of the great eagle were given to the woman, that she might fly into the wilderness to her place, so that she might be nourished for a time, and times, and half a time, from the face of the serpent. The serpent spewed water out of his mouth after the woman like a river, that he might cause her to be carried away by the stream. The earth helped the woman, and the earth opened its mouth and swallowed up the river which the dragon spewed out of his mouth. The dragon grew angry with the woman, and went away to make war with the rest of her seed, who keep Elohim's mitzvot, and hold Yeshua's testimony.